Hey, what's going on YouTube? We done the buckle and we cut it out. We put it in acid. We're drawing feathers now for the buckle. So okay, we're gonna draw these feathers out. You're gonna draw them out the best you can. We'll just trace it and saw it out after. So you can make all kinds of different feathers and come up with your own ideas. It don't really matter. And you can do basic feathers like you know what? Should have done this one. It would have been more better. Flip it over. So we'll do the feathers. Just put it around like that. Just trace it. We'll cut it out with the saw. And this is for a customer. So I think the best part about these kind of feathers is you can opposite it. Put on the opposite like this. See? So that way you have left and right. This is just going to be the cutout. We're still not going to be finished with it. We got to put the half round on. We got to put the feather designs on it. I'll show you all that step by step. So there's going to be more than 2 videos. So I'm going to make a couple of flower designs on my own just by using a ruler and a circle, and I'll show you guys how to do that too. Okay, just trace it. How you guys like the weather? Is it going good? I like it that it's not snowy, raining again. So we'll do that. Get it set up, and then grab our tools, cut them out. Don't forget your wax. Wax important. Don't get your blade too hot and it'll break. So you know what? I've been on down to my last blade and I have to be real careful. Oh, that sucked. Stores were closed. I was in a hurry. One thing they always say about making jewelry is never be in a hurry, never try to attempt to do it right away just to make money. You do it because you like to make jewelry for other people and you like to make them happy and all the other stuff. Oops. And that's where I learned how, and I like the expressions on people's faces when they see their stuff. It's like they're shocked, and that's a pretty cool feeling. So we'll just cut it out. I'll show you how to cut it out. Start from here. I can see that line where I pressed it. Slowly on. Yeah. Bird got in the way. Not one feather. Still not done with it. So, still got a lot to do with it. Remember one thing, all feathers never look the same, so Don't be shy for them to be different. So as long as they're feathers and let the wax helps prevent them dragging. See, some people just save it like that too. They just trace it. Last one. These are the feathers. See? Feathers are going to be using in the buckle. It's not done yet. We still got to put half round on it. And let's go make another. Okay, let's go make another design. We'll use. See what we got. You know what? I do have circles. Throw some of these in there. We'll get a medium, maybe right, something like that, small. Little flowers. Where is my tool? I use my describer. Cut that out. We'll put, say we'll make 4. Summertime, everybody's out cruising, jamming their music. Okay. And then how we'll do this. Use the ruler. Mark it right down the middle. Okay. Down the middle, plus pizza. Then this, we can throw a little round right there. Stay within the line and how you're gonna shape it around. That way it'll be how you want it, round like a flower. Well, you can do a side wallet too, as long as it's in the center. Pizza slice, then you just round it off. Round it, round it, and I'll show you once I start cutting. See? There you go. I drew them. I don't think you can see it, but once we cut it out, you'll see it. I'm sawing it out right now, so bear with me. Man, I need a new stand, but yeah. So I just go followed around and followed around. Yeah. But stay within the circle. You need to go over the circle. That way, when you're done, it will look how you want it to. See? Got a flower. We're still not done yet. We still gotta do the sides. I'll show you guys that pretty once I'm done with this last one. Let me do this last one real quick. Yeah, that's it. Last one. See? So after this, let's go put this up first. Put this one up. There. Okay. Those flowers I made. Let's go do the centers now. I just go by the line. I got this right here. And wanted to stamp my buckle.